Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where we spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. In this quick video, I am going to unbox the November subscription box for Creative Notions. I was sent an email by the owner a couple months ago, and I just thought it was super duper awesome. She said she had reached a point that she was either going to close her website or do something totally like wackadoodle crazy, and she decided to go with the crazy avenue and did a subscription box. What am I saying? So, let me entertain you. Let me see you smile by opening this box. It's actually a bag, see? But let's see what's in it. Boom. Boom. And I will show you. Aww. A grateful heart is the mainspring of happiness. Love that. Oh. And then here is the fabric. It comes with a number of fat quarters. And here, this is how it's bundled. This is definitely a fall theme. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fat quarters here. And then let's open up the bag. Oh, I've never seen a bag with Velcro on it. That's so neato. Okay, let us see what is in here. Oh, I can't say no to candy. I mean, I can, but I'm probably gonna eat these. Put this here. And then it says, hello fall decoration. How to apply vinyl lettering. What? Ah, hello fall. This is neat. Oh, well, let me start here. What is in the bag? This month's box includes 8 fat quarters of beautiful calico crow, 100% cotton fabrics, and there's a quilting label. There is a leaf to a Me Mini quilt pattern by Daniela Stout, Cozy Quilt Designs, Sulky Blendables, Pin Peddler's Maple Leaf, Welcome Fall vinyl cutout. The value of the box is $43.82, and I know it's $35 for the subscription, so you're definitely getting a deal. And then, da-da-da-da-da, oh, Creative Notions, I love it. Great job, you. And then this is the mini. Leave it to me, mini. Oh, look at that, see? The leaf that you make, that's a neato pattern. Good job. Miniaturized for 1.5 inch strips. Strip piecing is the stuff. Been doing a lot of that. And you've earned a charm holder. Oh, I want that. Helen will be so excited. So you can get a charm holder. Please print your name. Oh, I love that. And this is a label for your quilt. Aww. So this is darling. Okay, apple cider and some candy. Oh. And then this is a vinyl decoration. Where do you put it? So can I put this on my window? I'm totally gonna put this on my window. It's adorable. And then what's in here? Sulky's Blendable. Ew. I've actually been playing with Sulky lately, and it's a pretty great thread. Look at that, fall, goes great together. And then, oh, the pin, I'm doing a lot of awes. The Pin Peddler pen, it is this. Look at that. Ooh, this is really a well put together box. I really liked this. Everything thematically went together. Like this is next level. Great job. Thank you, Creative Notions, for deciding to grace us with another box instead of like closing the door, because I really think that this is something different, and there's definitely some people out there that are going to dig this box. So definitely check her out. I really appreciated her reaching out to me, and anyone who does, it really makes me feel awesome that I can help in some little way. So it was my honor to unbox this for all of y'all, and make sure to look at creativenotions.com. So if you enjoyed this video, got a laugh or a tip or learned something new, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.